Did you know that the US Air Force is replacing this plane? I'll explain more in today's video. Welcome back to Winging It. If you could like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Let's get to it. The A-10, or officially known as the OA-10, Thunderbolt II, and nicknamed Warthog, was made from Fairchild Republic. It was first introduced in October of 1977 and is still in service, but not for long. The United States Air Force, are classified as USAF, who is the primary user of the A-10, is planning to replace it due to a service called FY23, Budget Request, taking 21 A-10s with them. They're supposed to be replaced with three options: a Super A-10 with new wings and engines, F-35 Lightning II Variant A, and the last option is a F-15EX. If they do carry out this order, they would lose about 60 to 70 of their fleet. In 2015, the Air Force repeatedly tried to take out the A-10 of service, either part or their entire fleet, but it was denied multiple times to work and fly in the Middle East. Some more specific air base, like Fort Wayne National Guard Base, is planning to replace 21 A-10s with an F-16, and is planning ahead to replace the F-16s with F-35s. Fortunately, the House Armed Services Committee only allows the Air Force to retire 10 personal A-10s, which means we should see the A-10 for the next 10 years and more. Thank you for watching. If you could click that like and subscribe button, that would be amazing, but I won't force you. See you next time, aviators.